So that's my advice. Go with Chase and then American Express.
So why Chase first?
Because you may not be able to get it again. If you apply for more than one, remember 524, and it's a great credit card. It could go on, I mean, they could start you with $20,000 off the bat. So that's a great, and that's how I started, 25,000. Then I was able to increase it to like 25, and that's why I stopped because I couldn't get any more. So I was getting so many other credit cards, and they wouldn't give me a credit line increase, which was fine. But I had different business with Chase, and that's the crazy thing is like even though that you've been a great client with Chase, they still have the black and white rules. So we have about four different business with Chase, personal accounts. I would say probably between 7 to 8 different accounts with the credit cards and personal savings and checkings. And even though they will still not give you a credit line increase on any of the accounts because of the 524 rule.
Interesting.
It's black and white.